Why will you listen to a beginner? Can we make money with YouTube? Is it too late to start a YouTube channel? If you stay until the end, I will give you some real proof, and we will discuss about what content can you share, and how, and what do you need. Hey guys, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe and a like will be really appreciated. Thanks. First, I'm not a beginner. Look at my channel. Wait, I have 1001 videos and 11 million views and got 1.1 million subscribers. See, I'm not lying. Look closely. Wait, I think there's something wrong with YouTube. Where's all my videos and my subscribers? Just kidding. The best way to show how to start something new is to put yourself at the mindset of a beginner. The best thing is to be yourself a beginner. When I say beginner, I mean at YouTube. Someone who just started a YouTube channel, but collected so much information about YouTube that is worth sharing. Sure, there's a lot of professional YouTubers that show us how, but they seems to forget that they are talking to a beginner. So, can we really make money with YouTube? Of course, yes. The beauty of YouTube is that everyone is allowed to create a channel. All you have to do, create a channel. Respect the YouTube policy. Don't curse. Be careful of copyrights. It's very important. Get 1000 subscribers. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and have 4000 hours of watch time in the last 365 days. But I prefer to give you some proof of others YouTubers that are actually making money with YouTube.
We can see in January, my channel made $1,706, and in the past 28 days, it's made $6,085.
Let me just flip over this camera so you guys can see what I'm doing. And as you can see, I got 11.2 million views in 2020, which is insane. And my estimated revenue is $70,000.
Let's take a look at my main channel and how much money I ended up earning just from my ads alone in 2020. And I ended up earning $88,717.64 just from my main channel alone.
Throughout 2019, the main channel earned $1,141,231.43, and my second channel, The Graham Stephan Show, earned $170,428.75.
As you can see, people are making money with YouTube. Those are just some examples from many. So, is it too late to start a YouTube channel? Short answer is no. It's never too late. It will be too late if YouTube ended this. Or, if you die. If you're watching this, I'm sure that it's been months, if it's not years you were thinking of doing it. If you can just remember what was the reason that holding you from doing so, you will find nothing. The most difficult part of starting a YouTube channel, it's the start. Yes, it's the start. Because when you want to start, there's always a thing stopping you, and that thing is you. You don't want to start. You think if I start now, maybe my videos are going to be lame. Everyone is going to make fun of me. I can't show my face. Why will anyone would watch my videos, and not from others? There's always a why. I can't. I'm afraid of that. This, that, him, her, what, how. Sure, it takes courage to do it, but once you start, everything seems easy. You get better with time. Look at the YouTubers that succeed. Go to their channel and search the first video they've made. Do you think that they were perfect? I will let you judge by yourself. And if you don't want to show your face, just don't show your face. I know not everyone have the skills to work with animation software, but there's a lot of easy softwares. I will put some of them in the description. They will help you to bring your ideas to life. And if you think that a topic already spoken by other famous YouTubers, when you make a video about it, no one is going to watch it. I'm sorry to tell you that. You were wrong. Have you never watched the same thing but from many sources? Just to get different views and different opinions. An example is just to search something like iPhone 12 review, or anything you want. You will find thousands of videos with the same topic, but not with the same content. That's the beauty of YouTube, the diversity of the opinions. You watch, then you decide if you like it or not. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So, all you have to do is to start. Not tomorrow, not next week. Start today. At least try. And what content can you share? And how? And what do you need? What you need to know is, you know something that I don't know. I mean, in life everyone have different paths and different experiences. You have learned many things that others don't know, and will love to learn from you. This is the best start. Maybe you are a designer, maybe you are a gamer, or something else. All you have learned in the past years is worth sharing. The best thing to do is to share what you love and what people are looking for. Find the spot in between those two things. I'm sure you will succeed. Just don't start with an objective to make a living from YouTube. It will destroy your productivity, and you will not make great content. This will lead to a failure, and you will not be able to continue. Enough of spiritual talking. It's going to be boring if I continue like that. Now, how and what do I need? The first thing is, and I'm sure that you already have it if you're watching this video, you need a Google account. There's nothing difficult or magic in it. If you don't have one, just Google how to create a Google account. And logging to your Google account in YouTube, on a computer or the mobile site. Click on your profile picture. Then create a channel. Follow the steps. That's it. There you go. Now you have a YouTube channel. You will need a computer, of course. It's easier than a mobile phone, but you can use a tablet or a phone if you don't have a computer. You will need a photo editing software. It's not mandatory. There's some websites that can help you make photos online. Check the description below. It's up to you. Sure, websites are not so powerful like the softwares, but it can help you make some photos easily. You will need a video editing software. Check the description again. Some can help you make videos without the need of showing your face. The free softwares are not so powerful, except DaVinci Resolve, but it takes time to learn how to use it, and it needs a powerful computer. You will need an audio editing software. Audacity is the best free software I have tried. Check the description again, and it's the one that I'm using. It got all I need. A webcam, of course, if you are planning to show your face. Hey, mobile or tablet users, you already have a webcam. And why not a good microphone for better sound quality? Or if money is not a problem for you, you can even outsource everything from the start to the end. An example is Fiverr.com. You can find so many talented people that can do anything. Voiceover, editing, thumbnails. Some can even write scripts for you. And it starts from just $5. And it's legal. Now, you have started your channel. For it to be monetized, like I have said in the beginning, you need to have 1,000 subscribers. Hit that subscribe button and get 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 365 days. Total watch time of your videos in 1 year. Just to have the right to apply for monetization. They review your channel. After you get accepted, you can link your AdSense account to your YouTube channel. Check the description for a tutorial. For those who don't know what is Google AdSense, it's a Google service that let you publish ads in your website, or application, or games, or YouTube videos, and much more. They pay you per views. But I advise you to create a Google AdSense account before even reaching that 1,000 subs and 4,000 hours. Because to get accepted in AdSense and be able to show ads, it takes months sometimes. It's better to create one, with your real information, of course, once you have started your channel, or even before. So you will be ready when your channel gets monetized. You will not wait another months. You will link it directly, once you get accepted. And that's all you need to be a YouTuber. But before you go, here is some tips. Try to make at least one video a week. YouTube is all about quantity and quality. The more videos and likes you have, the more chance you have to appear in the first results. Try to make videos not too long, not too short. Something between 5 to 12 minutes, if you can. Don't copy and paste others' YouTuber video. By doing so, YouTube can block your channel, and maybe they will never let you create another one. Again, don't put everything you find in the internet in your videos, photos, videos, or music. Always check the license before using them. And it's not a good practice to buy subscribers and watch time from others. This will lead to a poor audience engagement. Imagine having 1 million subscribers, but only 10,000 watches your video. YouTube is going to think your videos are not interesting, and will not show them in the results. That's it for today. Wait, did you subscribe? A sub and a like will help the channel. Thanks for watching.